Point of sale systems, or POS systems, are crucial in managing sales transactions in retail and hospitality sectors. These systems not only process transactions, but also integrate tasks like inventory management, customer relationship management, and sales reporting, making them indispensable for efficient business operations. In our exploration, we delve into two leading POS solutions, Shift4 POS and Micros. Both are renowned for their robust features and reliability, but cater to slightly different business needs and operational scales. We introduce these systems as exemplary models to understand how advanced POS technology supports and drives business success in a competitive landscape. Shift4 POS stands out by significantly enhancing operational efficiency across various business processes. The integration of payment processes within the system reduces transaction times and minimizes errors, creating a smoother checkout experience for both staff and customers. Furthermore, Shift4 POS streamlines overall transaction processing, which facilitates quicker customer service and boosts sales throughput. Another pivotal feature is its sophisticated inventory management system, enabling businesses to maintain accurate stock levels, reduce waste, and optimize reorder processes. These features collectively strengthen business operations, making Shift4 POS a preferred choice for those prioritizing efficiency. Micros stands at the forefront of innovation among POS systems, tailored to meet diverse business needs with its remarkable adaptability. This system accommodates various operational scales and types, making it highly flexible for different business models. Moreover, Micros excels in providing advanced reporting features that allow for deep insights into business performance, aiding strategic decision-making. Most notably, Micros enables businesses to offer personalized customer experiences through custom loyalty programs and targeted promotions, enhancing customer satisfaction and retention. These innovative features ensure that businesses equipped with Micros can stay ahead in competitive markets. The choice between prioritizing efficiency or innovation in a POS system is pivotal and depends greatly on a business's specific needs. Efficiency-focused POS systems like Shift4 streamline operations, reduce costs, and improve speed, benefiting businesses with high transaction volumes or those in fast-paced environments. On the other hand, systems like Micros that emphasize innovation can adapt to diverse business models, offer advanced analytics, and enhance customer interaction, ideal for businesses aiming to differentiate themselves in competitive markets. Ultimately, the choice should align with the business's long-term goals and operational context, ensuring that the technology supports its growth and customer engagement strategies effectively.